Hello and Kusangpola. Welcome to Garden Happy Bhutan with Tashichi. This episode will bring to you simple steps in making polytunnel for nursery raising of vegetables. It will also visually guide how to prepare portable polytunnel using HDPE pipe and GI wire. Dig the soil properly and prepare beds of 1 meter width and convenient length. Bring the soil to fine tilt by breaking all the clods and by removing all the stubbles, stones and debris. This will help in the easy emergence of seedlings. It is advisable to add an overlay mixture of sieved, fully decomposed compost and healthy soil or forest leaf litter if the existing soil is not healthy or depleted of nutrients. Make even furrows of 2 to 3 cm depth at a spacing of 6 to 10 cm. The seeding depth depends on the size of the seeds. The thumb rule is to sow the seeds at depth double their size. From our experience, a packet or a 10-gram seed could fill around 10 to 14 such lines in a row. Then gently cover the seeds without displacing the seeds. We widely practice covering the beds with jute bags and watering it thoroughly to moisten the seeds below. This ensures that the seeds are not washed away. Insert bamboo sticks at an interval of 30 to 50 centimeters. Cover the dome-shaped bamboo framework with transparent polythene sheet. Cover the structure on all sides with soil to make it airtight and to retain heat. This will result in the faster emergence of seedlings. Interested to learn how to make a portable polytunnel? Yes, here it goes. Choose a base that will hold the entire structure and fit it into a rectangular position with the width not exceeding 1 meter and a desired length. Cut HDPE pipes of 1.6 meter length. Drill 2 holes each at the endpoints. Fix the pipes with the help of nails at an interval of 30 to 50 centimeters. Secure the sides of the plastic in this way to trap the warm air inside. Guess what is inside this structure? Well, have a look for yourself. And here it is. So underneath I have some ornamental plants, some vegetables like chives, spring onion, garlic leaves, coriander and lettuce, and chili seedlings. The use of materials such as GI wire and pipes are advantageous because they are more durable and can be used multiple times, and when not in use they can be assembled and stored in one corner of your garden. This is not likely in case of bamboo sticks, which are prone to breakage and can be used for only a single season. This in a way is also depleting our natural resources. Therefore, the use of alternatives as mentioned seems a sustainable approach. And if you all like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.